Our topic is equation of a tangent to a curve. In geometry, the tangent line or simple tangent to a plane curve at a given point is a straight line that just touches the curve at that point. From this diagram, we can see the red line is tangential to the curve at the point marked by a red dot. As it passes through the point where the tangent line and the curve meet, it's just called point of tangency. The tangent line is going in the same direction as the curve, as it shows the best straight line approximation to the curve at that point. At a given point on a curve, the gradient of the curve is equal to the gradient of the tangent to the curve. It's like this diagram. The derivative of gradient function describes the gradient of a curve at any point on the curve. Similarly, it also describes the gradient of tangent to a curve at any point on the curve. To determine the equation of the tangent to a curve, we need to find the derivative using the rules of differentiation. Firstly, substitute the x-coordinate of a given point into the derivative to calculate the gradient of the tangent. Then substitute the gradient of the tangent and the coordinates of a given point into an appropriate form of a straight line equation. At last, make y the subject of the formula.
The equation of the tangent line to the graph of y equals to x cubic minus 3x squared plus x at the point 2 minus 2. First of all, find the derivative of the equation. You get y dash equals to 3x squared minus 6x plus 1. Then substitute x equals 2 into y dash equals 3x squared minus 6x plus 1. You get 3 times 2 squared minus 6 times 2 plus 1 equals to 3 times 4 minus 12 plus 1 equals to 1. And then y dash equals to 1, so the slope of the equation equals to 1. Then use y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1 to find the equation of the tangent, which is y plus 2 equals to 1 times x minus 2, y plus 2 equals to x minus 2, y equals to x minus 4. So the equation of the tangent line is y equals to x minus 4.
Let's view another example. The question is to find the equation of the tangent to y equals to 3x squared minus 4x plus 7 at x equals to 1. So before we differentiate the function, we need to find the value of y. So when x equals to 1, y equals to 3 times 1 squared minus 4 times 1 plus 7 equals to 6. So therefore the tangent passes through the point 1 and 6. To find the slope of this function, we need to determine the first derivative. So y equals to 3x squared minus 4x plus 7. The first derivative, dy over dx, equals to 6x minus 4. And do not forget to substitute the particular value of x into the derivative. So when x equals to 1, dy over dx equals to 6 times 1 minus 4. That is 2. So the slope of this function is 2. Next, we need to use the slope plus 1 point formula, y minus y1. That is the slope plus 1 point formula. So substitute all the values into that formula. Y minus 6 equals to 2 times x minus 1. Y minus 6 equals to 2x minus 2. y equals to 2x plus 4. And that is the answer. So the equation of the tangent is y equals to 2x plus 4.
Here is the example determining the point where graph has a horizontal tangent line to the equations of y equal x squared plus 2x minus 3. First, we need to find the first derivative of equations. Y dash equal 2x plus 2. Because the horizontal tangent line, so y dash is equal to 0. 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. 2x equal minus 2. So x is equal minus 1. When x equal minus 1, we substitute into these equations. So y equal minus 1 square plus 2 times minus 1 and minus 3. Therefore, y is equal minus 4. So the point is equal minus 1 and minus 4.
The question to find the equation of the tangent to y equal to x squared plus x, which pass through the point 1, 1. Let's x equal to t, so y equal to t squared plus t. And then to find the first derivative of the curve, y dash will equal to 2t plus 1, and the slope of the curve also will equal to 2t plus 1. So the function of the tangent will be y minus t squared plus t equal to 2t plus 1 times x minus t. Because the curve goes through the point 1, 1, so the function will become to 1 minus t squared plus t equal to 2t plus 1 times 1 minus t. So t squared minus 2t equal to 0. And t will equal to 0 or t equal to 2. When t equal to 0, the function will become 2y minus 0 equal to 1 times x minus 0. So y will equal to x. If t equal to 2, the function is y minus 4 plus 2 equal to 5 times x minus 2. So y will be 5x minus 4.